Hello guys, my name is Flo, but you can call me FLOREALRIDE. I'm a filmmaker who travels around the world. I work for different organisations around the world, from hostels, restaurants, bars, or any company hoping to reach a greater target audience through photography and videography worldwide. You can shoot and edit any video you want for your social media or website platforms. Vertical videos for Instagram or TikTok, or even horizontal videos for your website to promote your events and your own business. I work with the DJI Mavic Air 2 with a smart controller, which gives me more possibilities of piloting with the GoPro Hero 9 with additional technology such as a microphone, a remote tripod and a second screen. All of my shots are in 4K Full HD. If you have a project, contact me on my Instagram accounts, FLOREALRIDE, or contact me by my email in the description. You can check out my work on my Instagram or my YouTube channel. I'm looking forward to meeting you anywhere in the world. And don't forget, using no way as a way.